Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2014 Toyota Highlander, and we're going to go over how you'd replace the lights, and especially we're going to go over how you'd replace the blinker light. So the blinker light, we can gain access right here, but what you got to do is there's two of these push pins, one that's right here up at the front, and one that sits right here at the back. So once you pull those out, then you can remove this piece, and with that piece removed you can get access to the blinker light itself. So you'll want to turn this a quarter turn to the left to be able to pull the light out. And then once you've got the light housing out, then you can pull the bulb out and then be able to get a new bulb. This bulb here, you have two listings for it. One is a 7443 natural amber or a 7444 natural amber. And the reason we want to go with the amber color is because this is the blinker bulb, and also and there's no orange or yellow amber color on the headlight housing itself. So you'd get a new 7444 natural amber or 7443, and then you would take your bulb and just insert it in here. It can go either direction. There's not any one direction it has to go. Just press it in until it clicks into place, and then you'll take the light and be able to get it in there, and then turn it a quarter turn to the right to lock it into place. And so that's how you replace your blinker indicator light on your 2014 Toyota Highlander. And then the last thing you would want to make sure is that you put your cover back and push your push pins back in. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.